Hello Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Cancer pa una mensahe po ninyo, unity. Ayan, so this is a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace, and hope. You radiate and attract great love. Napakaganda. Now, there are going to be, union between two people. Maaaring ito ay in marriage. Maaaring ito ay pagpapasok sa bagong relationship, romantically, no? So, maaaring gano'n. So, good luck. We have marriage, ayan, talking about marriage, no? So, ito na, may marriage talaga magaganap. Meron talagang union and marriage, between two people ang maaaring mangyari sa ngayon. At ito na, no? Siguro kung sino man ang mapapangasawa ninyo or makakapartner ninyo sa buhay, maaaring siya na nga, 'di ba? Ang inyong eternal love. Probably, ganon ang ganap. Kaya you're going to be feeling emotionally fulfilled. Kasi maaring yung criteria ninyo, no? Lahat na check, yung mga box. Kumbaga, kung sino man na mapapangasawa ninyo. We have transformation. Reach out for the power and strength to make changes, enrich your life, and become the person you want to be. Ayan. So, may pagbabago, no, na mangyayari. At maaaring magsisimula ito sa inyong sarili. Maaaring you're going to focus on personal transformation, no? And you're going to evolve ngayon into the best version of yourself. Ito yung gusto mong mangyari. Ito yung gusto mong maging ikaw, no? So maybe you're going to take action towards that. Patience, slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind, okay? Before you jump into a conclusion or before you jump into a decision, dahan-dahan lang, hinay-hinay lang muna. Wag magmamadali, don't rush, no? Don't rush kasi the more na nagmamadali tayo, mas marami tayong na-overlook, mas maraming kapalpakan, no, ang nangyayari. Kaya teka lang, slow down, no? Take it slowly. At while you are doing that, no, pag-isipan ninyong mabuti. Pag-isipan mabuti, pag-nilay-nilayan, pagmuni-munihan until your mind is clear and you will see clearly kung ano ang nangyayari sa inyong sitwasyon before you make a decision. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang kaganapan dito kay Cancer. We have cherishing self. I accept and love myself. Okay, Cancer? So, napakaganda nito kasi you are going to focus also on self-love, no? Parang siguro for the longest time, na-neglect na ninyo ang sarili ninyo. Siguro for the longest time, hindi rin ninyo naman naaasikaso lagi ang sarili ninyo. But now, no, you are accepting and loving yourself. So, which is really good, diba? What else? Embarking on an adventure. I savor the wonders of the world. Wow. So, siguro ang adventure na to, travel related, no, to various countries. Maring talagang literal na adventure ito, no, na magbabiyahe kayo sa mga lugar na dati kinatatakutan ninyong puntahan, no, or maaaring ito yung mga exotic places, no, na maaaring gusto ninyong bisitahin. So, ayun, enjoy, have fun, kasi yung travel na to is going to give you a lot of, of happiness and joy sa puso ninyo. What else? We have rising above. I see only beauty and grace, no? So, sa ngayon, you're going to rise above your situation, Kung ano man ang problema, pinagdaanan ninyo, you're going to rise above that. You are going to, tawag dito, yung bang, malalagpasan nyo na kung ano man ang problema. Yung bang mahahanap nyo na yung solusyon sa kahit anumang problema ang inyong pinagdadaanan sa ngayon. Kaya magiging masayang-masaya ka, no? Kasi finally, 'di ba, magiging problem solved na. Giving birth, I am bringing forth new and dynamic energy into the world. Ayan. So, for some of you, giving birth ito ng totoong baby, no? Or ang iba sa inyo dito, you're giving birth to a new opportunity para sa sarili ninyo. You're giving birth to a new business or a new idea, no? Yung mga ganon. So, definitely, this is something new na magbubukas para sa buhay ninyo. Tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap for Cancer. We have power. Ayan. So, you are going to regain your power. Siguro sa ngayon, kung dati, na-neglect na ninyo ito, no? Parang siguro, you allowed other people, no, to run your life. You allowed other people to have power over you. Pero ngayon, parang hindi na. Parang hindi nyo na yung papayagan. Parang babawiin nyo na yan sa ngayon, ano? Na inyong sariling kapangyarihan over yourself. So, you will start to, to be free. You will start to choose life on your own terms sa ngayon. What else? We have success. Magtatagumpay ka, Cancer. Merong tagumpay na naghihintay sa inyo at ang tagumpay na ito, could be related to money, no? Kasi si Black Cat, abundance, prosperity, no? Material success. So, most likely, tagumpay ito pagdating sa pangkaperahang aspeto na maaaring marating ninyo sa ngayon. We have miracles. Napakaswerte ninyo. You're so blessed, no? Kasi may mga miracles na mag-unfold sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. At yan yung mga unexpected na pangyayari, no? Mga unexpected na mga development, no, sa buhay ninyo ito, Cancer. So, this is also, maaring answered prayers din ninyo ito, Cancer. We have truth. Ayan. So, parang mayroong parating na mind-blowing truth para sa inyo, Cancer. So, siguro mayroong something, no, na malalaman kayo, impormasyon na malalaman kayo sa ngayon na parang you will be blown away. Maaaring hindi siguro ninyo mapaniwalaan, no, kung ano yung malalaman ninyo na yung pala ang totoo. No, this could be parang chismis kasi hindi ito first-hand information siguro na maririnig ninyo. Pero, this is the truth. No? This is the truth na maririnig ninyo. And parang mawiwindang kayo, no, sa balitang ito. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.